On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make my son's favorite breakfast sandwich. It's a sandwich that has egg, ham, bacon, and I add a little bit of vegetables in there to make it healthier, but he loves it. And every weekend he's like, Mommy, I want a breakfast sandwich. So if you guys wanna learn how to make it, keep watching. These are the ingredients for the breakfast sandwich. We're gonna be using some buns. You can use any brand that you'd like. I'm gonna be using Crystal buns. I bought these at Aldi. An egg, some bacon, American cheese, some ham, tomato slices, some mayo, and some avocado. My skillet is already hot and I'm gonna start by putting in some slices of bacon. We're gonna use that same oil from the bacon and we're gonna cook our egg. Okay, now we're gonna flip the egg. While we're waiting for the egg and the bacon, we're gonna put ham here on the side. All this is gonna go on the egg sandwich. And what I usually do is I'll poke a little bit on the yolk. Whatever you prefer, people like runny yolk. My son doesn't like the runny yolk, so I normally just poke it a little so it can cook better. And then we're gonna turn the ham over. The bacon is almost ready. And then we're gonna flip the egg again. I like to add a little bit of pepper on the egg. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of butter so that our bread can start getting toasted, because we're almost done. Once the ham is ready, I stack it on top of the egg. Waiting on the bread to toast a little. Next, I'm going to add one slice of the American cheese on top of the egg and the ham. We're almost ready. Now we're gonna grab the egg with the ham and the cheese and we're gonna set it on top. And we're gonna add some bacon. After everything is cooked, we add a little bit of mayo to the top bun. Next, we're gonna add some tomatoes. And the last ingredient is avocado. Honestly, guys, you need to try this breakfast sandwich. It is delicious. The bread is super soft. My son loves it. Cheers.
¿Cómo está el pan?
It's super blandito. So soft. You guys really have to try this. Perfect. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It is a very delicious breakfast sandwich. If you make it, please don't forget to tag me on my social medias. Also, any comments or recipes that you guys want, leave them down in the comments and I'll see you next time. Bye.